What landing area will you choose for your landing?
So I can see some trees over there.
Excellent. Good choice. Bad choice. Bad choice. You, बनवाया था.
Are you strong?
Yes, I am also
What?
strong.
Reduce brakes and go along the mountain. Go left. Go left. अपनी गाड़ी तो यहाँ खड़ी है. Hi. So we recorded this video on our way to Shalar site, and of course the legendary filmmaker behind this camera forgot to press the record button. So here we are talking to you and introducing you to one of the favorite flying sites called Shalar. It is the first flying site that I discovered when I first came to Kamshet and met a local villager who was living very close to the site, who was very welcoming, with an open heart and open arms. And we named the site actually after him. His name is Shalar. He's actually one of our instructors, Vikas Shalar's grandfather. We love this site and it's always magical to fly there. Hope you can join us sometime, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Thank you. You see that?
Yeah.
That's a paraglider. Somebody got had a nice collision there. The mark is still there. You gotta be careful here. Do you see the mark of a paraglider on the rock face? That's a lucky sign to remind pilots, don't turn into the mountain, turn the other side.
हमारे जैसे लोग भी इस चीज़ को दोहराते हैं कि आतंकवाद को बंद कर दे, बाकी सब चीज़ों को मसलों के हल निकल जाएंगे. कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जिसका हल ना निकाला जाए आपस में बैठ के बात करें. जब लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के लॉन्च पैड पर आते हैं तो वो पाकिस्तान आर्मी के
inflation and deflation. And deflate.
It should touch softly. Teaching the technique, it should touch softly, not hard.
Okay. So that I'll be walking slightly slower. So you have to understand the tension of the line. Okay. How? Deflate. Walk behind. Deflate. Pull it down. Now go forward, please.
Have grips.
bang bang.
Okay, have fun.
ये जो दो ब्लेडर के बीच में ये कितना डिस्टेंस होगा अभी?
काफ़ी है 300-400 फीट. Lateral vision, no, is deceptive. Yeah. It seems, my God, they're so close, but they have distance. Because see, you see me like this,
Yeah.
and you see them like this.
Yeah.
Got it?
Few instruction, okay, during takeoff. Initially we go forward, few steps, then glider pulls us back, okay?
Yes.
Because it has power, right?
Power.
So that time I slightly lean forward and look straight, and when it pulls us back.
The best way to understand is to visualize air as water. Okay, so imagine instead of air, water is flowing. What would happen to water? Where would it hit and rise? Exactly. It's a fluid like air. Right? So same aerodynamics, hydrodynamics, the same. So you visualize, then you know where the lift is, where the sink is, where venture is, where rotors are. Wherever there is white water, like here, at the stone, behind the stone there will be white water, right? That means rotors there. Got it? So wherever you fly, you see white, okay, it's danger. Simple. Yeah. So now imagine at a larger scale what is happening up there. So the upper layer is hitting and bouncing off like that. So now they can even come here and still not lose height. But at a lower level, they will. No break yet. Start.
First flight here. I mean, I did first solo flight, but came to
Second or
this side
third?
first time, fourth.
Share all the information that you think you have, you're going to use to take decisions. Right?
So
Go for it.
for me, since I'm just a P1 pilot and I don't want to get into soaring, so that I can use them as an indicator once I'm landing.
Okay.
If my altitude is very high,
Yeah.
I'll execute probably a 180 degree right turn to come more to this side to lose altitude,
Okay.
and then again come back left with the goal to be landing into the wind. So it's either down and 2 turns or as many turns.
Who can tell us what? There's a little problem somewhere. He's not chosen the best landing area.
Landing area.
Yes. You know why? You can tell why.
Because they're not near the windsock, there's not enough flat ground. If we meant the other windsock, then that would have been a better area because there's a lot of
See?
air space.
Senior
Correct.
Senior pilot.
There's too much crowd over there.
Too much crowd, a little bit of a little like valley, little bit, you know,
Yeah,
nala there. Then if I overshoot, I'm into the fields,
Correct.
and the farmer might come with a stick.
Correct.
Yeah. So maybe not the best choice.
Okay.
I would like to choose what landing area?
Open landing area, more open.
Very good very good decision. I like to choose safe open area. And where do you see that? You. Where's your landing area?
Somewhere there, maybe. This whole thing.
There?
No.
How do you point out landscape? Like how, where will you tell me like
ये वाला जो windsock है, इस side पे थोड़ा, मतलब वो वाला.
वो वाला patch?
Yes.
Okay, so she's selecting on the left of the windsock. Okay, the second windsock.
But of course after that 2 trees, like
After the
उसके
2 trees.
Okay.
Okay, wait. What do you think of that? It's a good choice or not so good?
That is a little smaller, sir. We go near there
Very good. He's not flown. He wants to be safe.
because we need some more
Thinking
space.
correctly. I would like more space. I want to be more comfortable. I don't want to be tight. You know, like oh my God, I overshot. Then
Might
I'm
be
in a
somewhat
situation.
small.
That's slightly small.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can land before
So who will tell us now? Oh, hello.
So I missed the question.
How
I
was your
just
flight?
came. Very good, sir.
Good.
Very good. First experience of soaring flight in my life.
Yes. Very good. Enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
What landing area will you choose for your landing?
So I can see some trees over there.
Excellent.
well
Good
over
choice.
there, well over there. So yeah, so I have to keep off from the trees over here. So I can see some flat terrain over here.
Yeah.
Because some guys are practicing kiting there, so I will avoid that.
Very good.
So this line
The
Yeah.
square.
and this patch dry area. So there I will try to land. So before that 50 degree, I'll keep on making S or 8, gradually descend, losing speed.
Okay.
Make sure that I have height of 50, length of 50. I go straight towards the wind south direction.
Who would like to land where he has chosen?
He's chosen in
This
clear path.
is greenish patch here. Would you like to land there?
It's definitely good.
You say yes or no.
Okay, I'll say I have a better option.
Oh, good. Okay. You? Would you like to land where he selected, or you have a better option?
I think, yeah, that would look.
You're okay with this choice? Yeah? Okay. You?
I think I'm not okay with this.
Very good. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go there itself.
There where?
Before the trees, this side. The field before sections.
The 4 squares. Excellent. I got the answer now.
Where the cross
Where the 4 squares are,
Wind direction is
and
coming from
that.
that side
Yeah.
directly. That's
Oh my God! It's so open. No person is there. No trees. No bushes. No nala. Nothing. No
Yeah, that's what I
obstruction.
was thinking.
Huge area. If I undershoot, I am safe. If I overshoot, I am safe. I am for the center of the cross. If I undershoot, I'm okay. If I overshoot, I'm okay. If I go left, I'm okay. If I go right, I'm okay. Bad choice. Bad choice. You मरवाया था इसने तेरे को भी.
No, I
Don't
was thinking
trust.
that
I'm training you guys. I'm
Yeah.
training you guys. Don't trust anyone.
Yeah.
It's a personal sport. You have to take decision yourself. And he's very good. This choice is okay, but do you know there's a big slope there?
yeah. So
Do you know the air will be ascending?
Ascending.
Do you know you will float a lot? 100% you will overshoot. So not a good choice. I want flat portion where the air is parallel to the ground. I don't want ascending air. I want to go down now.
The air is coming from that side and it will push it hard.
It'll lift you.
That's why that spot is not.
Because he's waiting for Kesha now.
Kesha, have fun. Go. Enjoy. Yeah.
We will continue.
Strong.
Yeah, I think like it will get strong. Yeah.
It will get strong?
Yeah.
Are you strong?
Yes, I am also
What?
strong.
Okay, good.
When you
Comes like this, upright. So I hold this bar from inside. Okay. Once glider pulls us back, we come back. Okay, few steps. Power. Okay.
then we guide you on this time. How much has been your longest flight? 62.
At the moment we are waiting for good wind, straight wind, because wind is cross. That's why we are waiting here. Also my student also like waiting. Ayush sir is giving briefing to them. That's like when we are waiting here we call para waiting.
Okay.
That's we are doing here.
What about Kesha? Where is she going?
Kesha ma'am is going for instruction tandem because she didn't soar here. That's why before going soaring, so we'll give instruction tandem. Okay, how to soar, how to keep some pressure, how to do crabbing angles, how to follow ridge rules, how to do big gears, when to gain height, how to gain height, how to lose height. Yeah, like that we are teaching in tandem, instruction tandem. So we are giving in P2 level. Once I finish P1 course and when we are going for flying high mountain, that's the time we are giving instruction tandem to students. That's why Kesha ma'am is going for tandem.
Cool? Okay. You get ready. And everybody can start getting ready.
Yes, top to bottom they can do the top to bottom also.
Yes.
Once the condition is good, then we'll launch him also.
Yes.
And he can soar. Yeah, so please you can get ready.
Okay, so guys, flight plan takeoff, like he said, beautifully. I'll find a clear patch, I'll spread my glider, I'll do my checks. Nice inflation into the wind, control, check. Decision, acceleration. Okay, decide a stop line before that. Alright, I go maintain my trajectory, I don't drift left or right, I don't go down or up, I maintain my trajectory. I clear the terrain. Once I'm well clear of the terrain, I sit down. I come to the flying position. Okay, relax. Enjoy the view. Look around. It's beautiful. Okay. Instructor will give me a left turn, of course. He will not take me right turn. Anticipate. He gives you a left turn. Okay, I was ready anyway. Start beautifully, smoothly, gently. Apply the brake. Appreciate how the glider is responding to your input. How it's banking, how it's turning. You can see the horizon, and you can see how you are covering degrees. Okay, let's get ready. I'll also get ready.
Flight path, flight plan, all the things are clear.
inside. Go inside. Go inside. Yeah. Keep going, and you should know when you can turn a slight right, because lift you'll get on that mountain. Okay. So keep going. You can go inside. Reduce brakes and go along the mountain. Go left. Go left. Slightly left. Yeah. Fly along the mountain. Keep going. Go closer if you can. And reduce pressure. Reduce brake pressure. Keep going. Take a deep breath. Relax. Feel good. All is perfect. All is very good. Reduce brakes. Yeah. Keep going. Very nice. Keep a safe distance. Very nice. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Beautiful. Hang down.
So now first we'll hold the control, then we'll give check. Reflection done, ready for tilt.
I'll run straight to the left of the ribbon.
Right side.
Right side of the ribbon. Yeah.
And yes.
After that you can tell me your slide path. Okay, if there are some corrections, then I will give again brief you. Then we go. Then keep doing that around this. Then you can around you can also.
That's Akash. Nice. The Sagar going. Huh? ये ग्लाइडर गेम आगे संतोष अब ये करो Yeah. So how was it, Avi?
Oh, this place is delightful. Every time you fly here, you are, reminiscing your old flying days when we were, just very new here. And it's magical. The countryside, this gorgeous mountain. And at the time of the sunset, like now, oh my God, what can words really say? Delights your heart. You feel blessed. You feel so grateful for this life, for this opportunity, for this play, for this joy. My God. Thank you. I can only say thank you. I mean, the heart is feeling just grateful for all this mountains, this beautiful sky, and the opportunity to be able to fly like a bird. It's just so yummy and so yummy and so yummy. Yeah, it's really beautiful. You need to fly to know this magic.
Yes.
Yay!
Closing shot.